Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to an Old Dominion CD lot unboxing. The first one is Old Dominion Meat and Candy. This came out in 2015. Wait, and your snapback. Oh yeah, break up with them. Yeah. Cool. Look at that. Meat and candy. Pretty cool. I like how it's candy. Makes me want to go to a candy store. Let's see here. Nice fucking gumballs. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. It's the whole... Wow. Why is everybody in a band called Matthew? Maybe I'm supposed to be in a band or something. Alright, and the last one for this little one is Old Dominion Time Tequila and Therapy album. This is from 2021. This is their most recent one, if I remember right. No. It might be. I was on a boat that day. It might be. Fucking hit puberty there. Anyway. It might be their newest. I don't know. I love Old Dominion. They're cool. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And go, go, go. I don't know. They're writing something down. What's going on here? Cool. Kind of neat. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.